All across the world, beat boys and girls, moving and grooving to the soul shocking beat. All across the world, beat boys and girls, moving it. I like the way you move, all together. I like the way you move, period. Baby, I just wanna dance with you. Come on, come on. I just wanna dance with you. Come on, come on. I just wanna hold you close. Come on, come on. Take you in my arms. Come on, come on. Let me rock you to the beat. Rocking it, shocking it, yes we are. Sounds so sweet and mellow. Moving and grooving it, yes we are. I wanna rock you to the beat. Drums alive, we rockin' it. Feel the bass inside your waist. Drums a dance, we rockin' it. Feel the bass inside your soul. Rockin' it, shockin' it, yes we are. Front to front and belly to belly. Come on, me and you got to dance together. Front to front and belly to belly. Come on, me and you must dance together. Step front, front, back, side to side. Two step front, front, back, side to side. Two step front, front, back, side to side. Back side to side, back side to side. Two step, open up, back side to side. Two step, open up, back side to side. Two step, open up, back side to side. Back side to side. Oh, darling, I just like to groove with you. Come on, come on. I like it when you whisper in my ear. Nobody, 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 nobody but you. You're making me keep time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Darling, you look so fine. You do. Smelling like Tunisian myrrh. Ooh, ah. You're making me feel high. So high, so high, so high, so high. I just got to groove with you. Come on, come on. I just got to dance with you, baby. Come on, you ain't got to say a thing. I already know how you came. 'Cause I just got to dance with you, baby. You just got to dance with me. You ain't got to say one thing. I know why you came, baby. I just got to dance with you, baby. You just got to dance with me. The two-step from back side to side. Two step from back side to side. Two step from back side to side. Straight side to side. Straight side to side. Two step open up back side to side. Two step open up back side to side. Two step open up back side to side. Straight side to side. Straight side to side. Oh, baby.
Cool it down before you hit the ground. Sort it out before you twist it out. Sick and tired of messing around. Light up the gateway to play around. Money ain't no good to me. Money ain't no good to me. Ooh, yeah. Money ain't no good to me.
too.
Things you do, don't sell yourself to fall in love. Things you do.
Ladies loving my music, it's like some sex shit. Niggas trying to grip up my mic like it's a dig. Run around the corner to pick up the new shit.
I says in the deck so niggas could catch red.
I'm the motherfucker gripping the mic like it's a joke. Niggas fall in love with the music like it's a hole.
Put down your mic, you lost your whole world. You take it too seriously like it's a gamble.
Fuck this rap shit, I listen to classical. In the studio, new as usual. Up it up my lyrical for bitches that you would know. I'm out of this, cause you wanna be below. Y'all niggas in love with the S. Y'all niggas in love with the S.
Don't fall in love. Things you do, don't sell yourself to fall in love. Things you do.
So with the daylight, we get all them players. We the rhyme sayers. Huh. Yeah, that's the business. Ha. Go do it like this. Getting it hot. Like that Chicago's.
I speak divine of God theories, no need to be high. Always exhale the facts, cause I don't inhale lie. Play the greater man's game to bounce off my losses, so I could earn the acres, the houses, the horses. Of course, it's much greater than your Benz or your Lex. The engine to my comprehension is just too complex, much too complex. Effects be live like DOS, making moves down south to avoid the chaos. I never flaunt the coin, cause dime getters be gazing. They call me Luther Van, they say my style is so amazing. I'm phasing those who supposed to have the last laughter, cause even when I'm gone, I'm reappearing in the after. I have to send respects to real money makers. Do not connect us with those champagne sipping money fakers. Chase the quarter pound with spice from Chi-Town. Now what that prove? You're so full you can't even move. Cause I'm the D to the O, the V to the E. And can another brother cook these delicacies?
Well, I'm the PLU, the G to the 1. Walk around the planet Earth making money, having fun.
And I'm the C to the O double M-O-N. I sit and think with a drink about how I'm gonna win. I'm the C to the O double M-O-N. I sit and think with a drink. Do you wanna be an MC? Or do you wanna serve? Do you wanna be dope? Or do you wanna deal it? Fabricated acrylic, I feel it, I'm the style molester. I do a show, get extra peas like the Lost Professor. In fact, I get my hoes in Tessa, peak game like a referee, and so controller my duster. Need in the bester, 3 out of 5. Whip anybody ass in NBA live rappers. Take a dive like Greg Louganis with his. I'd rather be in Bebe's alley than at the Click Regators. Not a hater of the players, I'm more like a coach or an owner. I used to love her, but now I bone her. At one point in rhyme, I thought I lost my erection, but then I got it back with the resurrection. Blessings upon Ron's old man, who called him traitor. Vic Constadamus, nigga styles, I predict I'm the C to the O double M-O-N. I sit and think with a drink about how I'm gonna win.
And I'm the D to the O, the V to the E. And can't no other brother cook these delicacies.
Well, I'm the PLU, the G to the 1. Walk around the planet Earth making money, having fun. Walk around the planet Earth making money, having fun. Walk around the planet Earth making money, having fun. I'm bumping in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right. In the streets, it's gon' rock right. At a show, it's gon' rock right. Here we go with the butters, period. You know how we do when they bumping in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right. In the streets, it's gon' rock right. At a show, it's gon' rock right.
Landscaping and mentally shaping. Looking at my Gucci, it's about that time. Represent my peoples on the Illadel side. Live like my 93 shit funk vibe. I used imagination like Han Solo. Master like Vic with the offbeat flow. A lady like B in stereo. Raps way back at the Plat was super bad disco. Used to do the freak, the Patty Duke and Gigolo. After midnights on the weekend. Oh, you remember we 3D with Study B. Enough respect go to a vet money. PSK, Miz on pause delay. MC Jewel T-Rock ride the crossfade. Breeze from the bottom, discombobable ballet. Sharon was the break if you was digging in the crates.
When they bump it in the Jeeps, it's gon' rock right. In the streets, it's gon' rock right.
youngsters be making cruise pop. Divine beings got the true sound in hip hop. Men call Lux flipping on the boombox. Mad props, the ruggedness, lyrical terrorists. Funky rhyming like EBS. Nation with the Knicks, news of being jazz fresh. Easing back and let it hit ya. Rubble town mixture, murder with the hypnotic groove girl. Back to back, ghetto porn and scratch. Battlestar Galact, cosmic abstract. The first out the limo was the nigga Charlie Mack. Westfield represent KD, where's it at? Cause we not taking no shorts no more. You to the rebel to pain and dice roar.
When they bump it in the streets, it's gonna rock right. In the streets, it's gonna rock right. At the show, it's gonna rock right. We gonna get the money, you know how to do it. We gonna rock with stuff like this. Rock right. We gonna rock with stuff like this. Rock right. We gonna rock with stuff like this. Rock right. We gonna rock with stuff like this. We gonna rock with stuff like this. We gonna rock with stuff like this.
I don't wanna ill, I just wanna chill and keep my hand around $100 bill. Wanna ill, I just wanna chill and keep my hand around her. Check it out. Sitting and thinking about the time I rolled 4 stacks of rhymes for dimes. Made me wanna go back to doing crimes on the corner. But the street life hotter than a sauna. So I don't think I'm gonna plus the fact I was born a nigga to hit the land with the mic in hand and SP and get it like Dizzy Gillespie. And this is how I do, not 3 or 2, but 1 nigga from Queens full of hip hop fiends all over. Gas the honey up to let me unclothe her. And this time around, check how I get down as I go the extra mile, raise the call loud. Born up in Harlem ever since I've been destined for stardom. So move over, bacon. It's the anti-faking, beat making nigga that makes the earth quake and let the man push through. Others are left without a clue. Lost professor in the house 1, 2. I don't wanna ill, I just wanna chill and keep my hand around $100 bill. I don't wanna ill, I just wanna chill and keep my hand around her. Check it out, check it out. About as deadly as a 9, here to rock mankind like a landmine with the ill shit that I designed. Professor, keep sucker chum crews under pressure like this girl I know. But yo, I can't stress her cause I'm cool like that. Matter of fact, even cooler, opposite of sun cooler. Nothing to do with the ruler and keener. You can catch me joyriding on Casino as I keep the competition mind up in between her. Rocking a hard place and just like a car chase, I'm action-packed with the drama, Scarface, I'm real. Honey, you hit me off with a meal and I'm out so I can get me a stout. What's it all about? Trying to stack off a contract, jack, and stay black. Long as I can keep that intact, ain't a damn thing stopping. The one that keep it hopping, do the one to what I'm dropping. I don't wanna ill, I just wanna chill and keep my hand around $100 bill. I don't wanna ill, I just wanna chill and keep my hand around her. Check it out, check it out, check it out.
We gon' turn it out and make it rock to the beat and then scream and shout. Cause when we get you with the shit we got here, we gonna blow your mind. Blow your mind. Keep it moving like this, keep it moving like that. If I die, I'ma only come back. No, I'm saying if you think that you can step to me wrong, don't even waste your time. 1, 2, 3, we gon' turn it out and make it rock to the beat and then scream and shout. Cause when we get you with the shit we got here, we gonna blow your mind. Blow your mind. Keep it moving like this, keep it moving like that. If I die, I'ma only come back. Yo, I'm saying if you think that you can step to me wrong, don't even waste your time. Waste your time. You niggas talk shit, then abandon ship. Niggas talk shit, then they abandon ship. Niggas talk shit, then they abandon ship. Niggas talk shit, then they abandon shit.
I ate off like the assassin, now I'm blasting, I'm taking over. Stick you for your blue Range Rover. I told ya, Rampage, a real live soldier. Been in the game since the age of 13. A microphone fiend, so I'm gonna see my P.O. It's August the 1st, so I guess I'm a Leo. My P.O. look like Vanessa Del Rio. She pulled my rap sheet just like Neo Geo.
I always roll through the forest just like a brontosaurus. Born in the month of May, so my sign is Taurus. Kick you in your face like my fucking name was Chuck Norris. Make you sing my chorus, rock to the beat and then turn into a walrus. You remain nameless, my victory remains flawless. Acting like you wild, but I know you really harmless. While your time is coming, I make the fat shit regardless.
Many niggas wanna know when the rap return. Yo, I'm getting phone calls from that nigga Howard Stern. He wants to know about my flip mode click. The way we get down and bust nigga shit. LP after LP, we make G's. I run up in your gates, then take you for your keys. I'm not lying or joking, you get broken, dead and Flatbush, back to road with no kid.
People always asking me how your shit be selling.
for making shit guaranteed to bust your fucking melon. Police put me up on charges like I was a felon. There was no telling when I was striking, had you swelling. Cruising in my land, watch the police how they be telling. Lock you up for days and got a nigga ass smelling. Yo, fuck that. You best believe there ain't no time for dwelling. If you ain't making noise, you need to kill the fucking yelling.
1, 2, 3, we gon' turn it out and make it rock to the beat and then scream and shout. The way we hit you with the shit we got here, we gonna blow your mind. Let's keep it moving like this, keep it moving like that. If I die, I'ma only come back. What I'm saying, nigga, think that you can step to me wrong, don't even waste your time.
Now who got the slave that come to time and doesn't think you buzzing, thinking that they fat when they wasn't. They fucking the word of Mac or Mac. We use more like saying that you them shit like Paxson. I'm incredible, better eat your vegetable. Cuz I does what I do. I flick the roof off with soft suckers, smack it, full effect, mic check 1, 2. I'm a rain forever, rain like bad weather, rain like whoever never. You can't bite my style, cause my style ain't a style that is a style, so I can go buck wild. Bet you figured you got more funk for flow, it ain't so. Flavor in your ear, let you know. Now I'm about a second from the hook, don't strap your rap book before you get your wet style shook. Can I get down, boy? Get on down. Can I get down? Can I get down? Get down, man. Get on down. It's time to get down. Can I get down? Here comes the Mac, get down. Can I get down? Can I get down? Get on down. Can I get down? Mac's like a superintendent. Burning MCs leaves a foul scent. See, I'm like what you call king of yes, y'all. My style's wicked sick, I mean real sick. Just thick, I come with the ammo, the real whammo, slammo, stuff the toppy top, and always the quick. Must warm up the hot plate. I'm changing fate from the neck, I'm a casket. My rap loves to alienate. Shake your ass till it's late, you stump I dominate. See, I ain't scared of you. To me, you're all suckers, cause I make the ruck, make it noise, drop the buckets. Roll bulletproof, no coof on the roof, biting like a saber tooth. Can I get down? I pound on the ground when I get down, so let me get down, let me get down. Can I get down? Break it down like me, get on down. Let me get down. Can I get down? Get on down. Can I get down? Can I get down? Can I get down? Can I get down? Here we go. Get on down. Get
New York streets were killers that walk like Pistol Pete and Pappy Mason. Gave the young boys admiration. Prince from Queens and Fritz from Harlem, street legends. The drugs kept the hood from starving. Pushing cars, Nicky Bars was the 70s, but there's a long list of high-profile celebrities worldwide on the thorough side of things. Live as kings, some died. One guy, one time, one day grasped me as I'm about to blast heat. 40 side of burning. I turned well, he asked me, "What you up to? The cops gon' bust you." I was a teen drunk off brew. Stumbled, I wondered if God sent him, cause 2 squad cars entered the block and looked at us. I ain't flinched when they watched. I took it upstairs, the bathroom mirror, brushed my hair, staring at a young disciple. I almost gave my life to what the dice do. Yeah, man, throwing them bones. Hoping my ace get his case thrown. His girl ain't wait for him. She in the world straight hoeing. Why he looking at centerfolds? The pretty girls showing they little cooch. Gangsters don't die, he's living proof. The DA who tried him was lying. The white dude killed his mother during the case. Hung jury, now the DA is being replaced. Pre-trial hearing is over, it's real for the soldier. Walks in the courtroom, the look in his eyes is wild. Triple homicide, I sit in the back aisle. I wanna crack a smile when I see him. Throw up a fist for black power, cause all we want is his freedom. He grab a court officer's gun and started squeezing. Then he grabbed the judge, screams out, "Nobody leaving, everybody." Get down, get down, get down, get down. Get everybody. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Get down. Some niggas fucking.
Well, here I come. Come on down, come on down, come on down.
Hey, yo, Kane, give
him some.
When I'm in motion, it's just like the flow of the ocean. The way that the words swerve and curve. My style flex is bigger than the state of Texas. Quick as a Lamborghini, smooth as a Lexus. I guess that makes me the top of the line. Or yes, I'm the most prime of all time. As soon as I pick up the mic and begin to let lyrics to start to flowing, coughing couldn't stop me from going on with the rapture, so that I can capture your mind with state-of-the-art music made to adapt her. So now let's guard on the groove, because when my tongue moves, I just throw them out smooth. Do it with these, and at times let me breeze to give and deliver the flavor to please. As I'm schooling the ruin, pursuing and doing and raining again and gunning and stunning and thrilling and chilling, collecting and wrecking and jamming and slamming and damn, it's too much for one mind to comprehend. A pure blend, the way that I make words men, and the way that I be doing rappers in. Michael Bivins couldn't make these boys the men. I'll display something verbally capable to murder the average MC. The tough ones will burn third degree. And if you're thinking that I'm taking a beating, you sooner see the Pink Panther speaking.
Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down.
Well, here I come.
Come on down, come on down, come on down.
Q-Tip, just give us
Niggas got me high.
Son of the time senator. From the beginning, we went with the time signature. Replenishment of minds with fine literature. If your only topic is crime, your time's up. Time's up. Thought still hit the target, lethargic. I grip the market with hardship regardless. I'm arsenic in your star kiss with lemon and my brother I kid.
Blast at will, smashing the skills. Rap so I can build, relax and pay my bills. I have to see a meal, not just to ice my grill. Have spinners on the wheel. Try to floss and get killed. I rap for more than that. When I rap money, we supposed to get that. Take care of yourself, your family, and you give back to those who had your back when you was on your back. Those who gave you dap on your first rap.
Don't know about my crew. We snore through whoever supports you. Corporal, your cohorts report to. Yes, I rep the real until I stand in my tomb. I hope my glory never walks hand in hand with my doom.
Yeah, when we rock the show, this is how I get my dough. Everywhere I go, party people want to know where the party at. Where we can feel safe at. Where I kill Charlie Tuna and DJ Format. Stay at the T.O.P. most definitely. And sometimes I style for free.
But through responsibility, I can't read my grammar free. With my talent, I'm trying to feed my family. That's what people don't do.
Jungle beat, hit you over the head, leave you dead meat. Lying on the floor, blood dripping on the corner. JB's, we coming up, we on ya, we're gonna hit you over the head. Bing one time. Listen to the way I drop this funky rhyme underwater. It seems like it's gonna be a slaughter. That's why I bought my crew with the fort up. Bam boom, hit you with the bazooka. Hit you over the head like a real trooper. Scoop ya. Bring you back uptown, cross 110th Street with that Jeep sound. Got the sweet daddy Sammy B in the boogie down, and the jungle brother Mike G hang around. We come down to the Bucktown, lay the funky sound, and give me that good old vibe. Party over here, party over there. I swear, I declare this year we get screams and cheers everywhere, cause we coming through like who the J.U. Come on everybody, you won't hear no booze at the shows when we crack. The bruise we go toe to toe when we act. Black and black. You might react all up in my face, but you just get slapped. I'm not moving forward, not moving backward. All I wanna say is that I'm moving backward the super strong foundation, and we rock the whole nation. Toe to toe, y'all, blow for blow, y'all. Toe to toe, y'all, blow for blow, y'all. Toe to toe, y'all, blow for blow, y'all. Toe to toe, y'all, blow for blow, y'all.
Well, I hit you in the head with the old school touch, but I know not to hit you with just too much. Yeah. Just a little something to get you all mounted and a bouncing, and off we go. And now I lace you with the finest that'll open up your sinus. It's out in the open, so when you need it, you can find it. The wideness of our span is only measured by the globe, so when we're swinging through your town, it's strictly bolos and sold out shows, rare grooves and demos. The DJ puts it down while the MCs flow. Been going toe to toe since an embryo. Put shit in the game and watch a black man grow. Got to call them when you see them, those Pinocchios. So then they hit you with the story and send you home with no dough. Enough to make a brother wanna get Congo. So from the get you hit them with the volcano, and then that'll be the end of the Soundboy show.
Toe to toe, y'all, blow for blow, y'all. 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 Toe to toe, y'all, blow for blow, y'all.
One for all, and we gonna have a ball. Never step up and we never take a fall. Niggas thought I fell off the map, but all you bitch ass niggas out there, you just need to be slapped. Cause the strap, I keep the bass in your face. I keep it rocking every time I hit the place. My PA system always hitting when I'm shitting. Brothers be flipping, but with that I can't get with it. Making the killing, yeah, winning and dealing. I got the feeling, your man is willing. So up here to the side and let you know, cause I'm sweet ass and be a jumper bro, jumper bro. Toe to toe, y'all, blow the blow, y'all. Toe to toe, y'all, blow the blow, y'all. Toe to toe, y'all, blow the blow, y'all. Toe to toe, blow the blow, y'all. Toe to toe, y'all, blow the blow, y'all.
I was a fiend before I became a teen. I melted microphones instead of cones of ice cream. Music orientated, so when hip-hop was originated, fitted like pieces of puzzles, complicated. Cause I grab the mic and try to say yes, y'all, they try to take it and say that I'm too small. Cool, cause I don't get upset. I kick a hole in the speaker, pull a plug, then I jet back to the lab without a mic to grab. So then I add all the rhymes I had, one after the other one. Then I make another one to diss the opposite, then ask if the brother's done. I get a craving like I fiend for nicotine, but I don't need a cigarette, know what I mean? I'm raging, ripping up the stage, and don't it sound amazing? Cause every rhyme is made and thought of, cause it's sort of an addiction, magnetized by the mixing. Vocals, vocabulary, and verses just stuck in. The mic is a Drano, volcanoes erupting, rhymes overflowing, gradually growing. Everything is written in the code so it can coincide. My thoughts are guide. 48 tracks to slide, the invincible microphone fiend rock him. Spread the word, cause I'm N-E-F-F-E-C-T, a smooth operator operating correctly.
We be the infamous, you heard of us. Official Queensbridge murderers. The mob comes equipped for warfare. Beware of my crime family who got enough shots to share for all those who wanna profile and pose. Rock you in your face, stab your brain with your nose bone. You all alone in these streets, cousin. Every man for theyself in his land, we be gunning. And keep them shook crews running like they supposed to. They come around, but they never come close to. I can see it inside your face, you're in the wrong place. Cowards like you just get their whole body laced up with bullet holes and such. Speak the wrong words, man, and you will get touched. You could put your whole army against my team, and I guarantee you it'll be your very last time breathing. Your simple words just don't move me.
you're minor, we major. You're all up in the game and don't deserve to be a player. Don't make me have to call your name out. Your crew is featherweight. My gunshots will make you levitate. I'm only 19, but my mind is older. When the things get for real, my warm heart turns cold. Enough nigga to see another story gets told. It ain't nothing really. Hey yo, done spark the Philly, so I can get my mind off these yellow back niggas. While they still alive, I don't know. Go figure. Meanwhile, back in Queens, the realness and foundation. If I die, I couldn't choose a better location. When the slugs penetrate, you feel a burning sensation, getting closer to God in a tight situation. Now, take these words home and think it through. Or the next rhyme I write might be about you. This ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look. This ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look. Living the life that is diamonds and guns. There's numerous ways you can choose to earn funds. Some get shot, locked down, and turn guns. Cowardly hearts and straight up shook ones, shook ones. He ain't a crook, son. He just a shook one. 242. Yo, happy, for every rhyme I write, it's 25 to life. There was so much of guys you trust, safeguarding my life. Ain't no time for hesitation, that only leads to incarceration. You don't know me, there's no relation. Queensbridge, MC don't play. I don't got time for your petty thinking, mine, son, I'm bigger than no. Claiming that you pack heat, but you're scared to hold. And once the smoke clears, you be left with one and you don't. 13 years in the projects, my mentality is what, kid? You talk a good one, but you don't want it. Sometimes I wonder, do I deserve to live? Or am I going to burn to hell for all the things I did? No time to dwell on that, cause my brain reacts. Front if you want, kid, lay on your back. I don't fake gas, kid, you know I bring it to your life. Stay in the child's place, kid, you out of line. Criminal minds thirsty for recognition. I'm sipping, E&J got my mind flipping. I'm bugging, figure my ways out of holes by hustling. Get that loot, kid, you know my function. As long as I'm alive, I'ma live illegal. And once I get on I put on all my peoples. React quick for lyrics like Max, I hit your dome up. When I roll up, don't be go sleep because I'm free. Son ain't shook, this ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook. This ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook. This ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook. This ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Living the life that is diamonds and guns. There's numerous ways you can choose to earn funds. Some get shot, locked down, and turn guns. Cowardly hearts and straight up shook ones, shook ones. He ain't a crook, son. He's just a shook one.
Gifted unlimited. Everlast. What's up? You know the attribute, baby. What time is it? I say brothers are amused by other brothers' reps, but they're all playing roles just like Omar Epps. I see so many players, I wonder where the coach is. My name's Everlast, smart to kill like roaches. The dough that you're making got you frontin' and faking. Your heart's been shook, brains cooked like bacon. Can't believe you're not butter, you thought you was on it. I don't trying to flaunt it, but it's just blue bonnet. And now it's my turn, kids, so watch me churn. There's only so many spots, they hard to earn.
Pack it up, get in, so let me begin. Don't make me have to smack your dumb ass into a head spin. You're left in suspense from the aura of my presence. Trying to gain props under false pretense. You wanna say something, but you're not sure if I'ma dish ya. Cause you're not pure, I like the cheap version that gets cut with baking soda. If you had game, you still couldn't get over. I know ya, crews got to be crazy weak. Cause I can judge them by the company they keep. Way deep is how I get into this rap thing. While you're napping, I got your chick's titties flapping. She's asking for me to hit her off lovely. I'ma slay all you punks like as if I was Bugsy.
When you sell out to appeal to the masses, you have to go back in and roll in some classes. All you earth pieces start shaking your asses. All you blunt holders take 2 pulls and pass it. Back in 89 I dropped too much acid. Rock from Lake Havasu out to Lake Placid. While you busy bragging on the people you blasted, I'm asking how many days have you fasted? Get up, I'll break it down a little something. I'm fed up, it's time to go head hunting. Dead up, too many crew be frontin'. I'm fed up, it's time to go head hunting. Get up, I'll break it down a little something. I'm fed up, it's time to go head hunting. Dead up, too many crew be frontin'. I'm fed up, it's time to go head hunting.
Hey, what's that sound? Don't turn around to your back, I got the tray round hard. For you chumps that act hard, the ones faking jacks, packing guns, acting hard. But let's suppose you really had a burner. You still would need some lessons on how to hold it firmer. Fuck a murder, I'ma just kill your ego. Cause we know that you ain't really got no people.
muttering about my man this, my homie that. You need to get the fuck out my face, cause you don't know me, Jack.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I put seeds in your mental and I watch them grow. Throw on the instrumental and clock my flow. Put the dough in my pocket and I rock the show. Cause I know and you know this is how we do. Salam alaikum to the Muslim, Salam to the Hebrew. Greed, lust, envy, sloth, gluttony, pride and wrath. Do the math. These 7 deadly sins represent my gin. You scheming on testing me, kid, where you live. I've been told all my life I'm my only friend. This killer on the road, money is the end. And you might think that I'm a dummy, but while you're out at the spot, I'm home chilling with your honey.
I kick flavor, like Stephen King, I write the horror. If you wanna see tomorrow when I lead, you best to follow, or you'll be left along the road in the dust. And me and you won't have too much to discuss. Trust me, I be the gifted unlimited. Too many of these rappers blowing up because of gimmicks, kid. You ain't did it, bid, you ain't never pulled the trigger. You battle me, I make you stagger more than liquor. I get raw, I'm quick draw, the outlaw, I doubt you're ready to fuck with me, so boy, you better stop. Cause I'ma beat your ass like your pops.
Get the real estate money and then the props. I get up, I break it down a little something. I'm fed up, it's time to go ahead, hunting. Dead up to men and crew be frontin'. I'm fed up, it's time to go ahead, hunting. Get up, I break it down a little something. I'm fed up, it's time to go ahead, hunting. Dead up to men and crew be frontin'.
Check it in from the left coast where we take sound that combines sunshine with rhyme, move 'em around. Take it slow, watch the smoke we blow. Bring California swing and this thing for show. Well, hey there, baby doll, dance the go-go. Off a little mentally, I see it in slow-mo. Hollywood, the east side, Hub City and Frisco. Calles at the playas, fires up in the disco. Whoa, whoa, oh, now here we go. Mira, delincuentes, bum rush the show. Aquí in Cali, where trees so sweet. And these habits is feeling Ari on this rugby beat. And on summer nights, we use our feet. Keeping in mind the danger walking on these LA streets. So what eyes that reflect is the waves inshore. Through the smoke of the green, you see burn next door. And the birds sing, but they don't show the truth no more. And the night's hot, so you just better lock your door. Days is hot, nights get hotter. Fathers better watch your daughters. Days get longer, nights get shorter. Remember the police got quotas. City of angels here, even angels watch the angles. Living in California, showing nothing but love, bringing peace till the bush turns shut.
When the la-la hits your lyrics, just picture head so hard that your hat can't fit you. Either I'm with you or against you. Format bent you. Back through that maze I sent you. Talking to the rap inventor. Nigga with the game type fifth, that flame right. Spell my name right. B-I-double-G-I-E. Iced out, lights out, me and Caesar Leo. Getting head for some chick he know. See, it's all about the cheddar. Nobody do it better. Going back to Cali, strictly for the weather. Women and the weed, sticky green. No seeds, bitch, please. Papa ain't soft, dead up in the hood. Ain't no love lost. Got me mixed up, you drunk them licks up. Mad cause I got my dick sucked and my ball flick. Forfeit, the game is mine. I'ma spell my name one more time. Check it. It's the N-O-T-O-R-I-O-U-S. You just lay down slow. Recognize a real dawn when you see one. Sipping on booze in the house of blues. I'm going back to Cali. 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 If I got to choose the coast, I got to choose the east. I live out there, so don't go there. But that don't mean a nigga can't rest in the west. See some nice breasts in the west. Smoke some cess in the west. Y'all niggas is a mess, thinking I'm gon' stop. Giving LA props. All I got is beef with those that violate me. I shall annihilate these. Face closed, suitcase filled with clothes. Linens and things, I'll begin things. People start to flash. 818-213s, 313s, B.I.G. Frequently floss holes at Roscoe's. If I want a squirter, take her to Fat Burger. Spend about a week on Venice Beach, sipping Crisco with some freaks from Frisco. I'm going back to Cali. I'm going back to Cali. I'm going back to Cali. I'm going back to Cali.
Play on, play it. Play on, play it.
Play on, play it. Play on, play it. Play on, play it. Play on, play it. Play on, play it. Yo, street drop the verse.
Shorty get down, good lord. Baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly bitch, she don't play around. Cover much ground, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day. True player away, can't get her out of my mind. I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, it's on when she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I wanna get in, can I get down so I can win? I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up.
She's got class and style, she's knowledge by the pound. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings is a no, let me tell you how it goes. Curves the word, spins the verb. Lovers and curves, so freak what you heard. Rolling with the fatness, you don't even know what the half is. You got to pay to play, just for shorty bang bang to look your way. I like the way you work it, trump tight all day, every day. You're blowing my mind, maybe in time, baby I can get you in my ride.
I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up.
Girl, you think you got it bad. Girl, you think you got it bad.
realize your game is difficult to roll a double. The struggle ain't right up in your face, it's more subtle, but it's still coming across like the bridge and tunnel vision. I try to school these bucks, but they don't wanna listen. That's the reason the system making this paper from the prison. And that's the reason we living where they don't wanna visit. Where the dope slaying keeps playing like Sonny Liston. The money missing in his mouth to feed. Get the brain kicking, thinking of 1,000 things. Remember back in the days when the kitchen had eggs and pancakes, chicken and greens and Kool-Aid. When the refrigerator naked, then the cupboard is bare. People got the strip neck and stick them up in the air. Wasn't lies when he told you wasn't nothing to fear. Something don't feel right out here. Now I'm saying straight out.
It don't feel right, it don't feel right. Don't feel it, don't feel it, can't feel it no more. It don't feel right, it don't feel right. Don't feel it, don't feel it, don't feel it no more. Things don't feel right over here. Lately I ain't been seeing clear. Don't feel right, don't feel right. Don't feel it, can't feel it no more. Don't feel right, don't feel right. Don't feel it, can't feel it no more. Seems to me nowadays things will change. I don't know if I'll feel the same.
Look, my eyes open cause I'm really a watchman. And when I'm writing my thoughts out, really I'm boxing. My main adversary, any silly concoction. Freeze your face like botulinum toxin. If you ain't trying to get popped, then give me an option. Helicopters chopping from Philly to Compton. The Jones is the richest since the Smiths and the Johnsons. If you ain't saying nothing, you the system's accomplice. It's to play with your conscience, do away with the nonsense. I'm overseeing anything within my circumference. This ain't a press junk and I ain't seeking responses. I stand where the people got the heat and he popped it. You're mesmerized by the calm nonchalantness. I spin a dark web on some John Hitchcock shit. If you ain't speaking your life, your rhymes adopted. If it don't feel right, then stop it. You know what I'm saying?
Don't feel right, don't feel right. Don't feel it, don't feel it, can't feel it no more. It don't feel right, don't feel right. Don't feel it, don't feel it, don't feel it no more. Things don't feel right over here. Lately I ain't been seeing clear. Don't feel right, don't feel right. Don't feel it, can't feel it no more. Don't feel right, don't feel right. Don't feel it, can't feel it no more. Seems to me nowadays things will change.
I put words together incredibly cleverly. How could you ever get ahead of me here? You like the pedigree charm. Come see the medicine man's remedy of bottled energy. Now available readily, you're tired. Did out the pit stop, Penelope trying, but I'm not buying the shit. You're selling me extremity chills, burns the cinders, froze like fingers off key fingers, touching one finger brush. Plus, I'm bringing it back to beef, it's Biff Tannen. You're out of your depth, bitch, fetch Mitch Buchanan. I'm tanning your hide sucker. Make that see an enemy, and enemies are Klingon. Come science and memory. The probe man says, voice of Bristol South. When I open my mouth, the truth comes out. Just shift aspects, tell the world what we're about. Make the speakers the rooftop from which we can shout. Aspects, gifted, lifted, pure class. Among the Tijuana brass and James Last. Format, swift to get a grasp of wax that makes tracks none can surpass. Aspects, gifted, lifted, pure class. Among the Tijuana brass and James Last. Format, swift to get a grasp of wax that makes tracks none can surpass.
Format aspects, the chosen few. Blowing dust from dead have been obscured from view. And procured from you, you made the top choice. If it's second hand, we still be making diggers noise. We yell, but try to keep tracks hot. The devil must pedals and make a root of rock. Hell's breath, propagate, only the proper track. Feed them water, nutrients from classic wax. Bruce Lee, that's a weakness spot. We take 40 wings cause we're fortified. Bring on your beat, it's desperate that. You couldn't hold a candle to Milwaukee's cat. No need to bling in this job we got. I rock tracks through tops from charity shop. And that's more money spent for a poor vocalist. But some new she's bought in hip-hop hospices.
Aspects, gifted, lifted, pure class. Among the Tijuana brass and James Last. Format, swift to get a grasp of wax that makes tracks none can surpass. Aspects, gifted, lifted, pure class. Among the Tijuana brass and James Last. Format, swift to get a grasp of wax that makes tracks none can surpass.
Now check this out, let me show y'all something, dude. I'ma lay on y'all some of the coldest cats, 4 of them to be exact. Watch this, if we do it like this here, let me show you something. This is the sound and it ain't no doubt. The greatest show hitting gon' make you shout. 1, 2, fist soup, double K, put it down. From the city of angels to your town. This is the sound and it ain't no doubt. The greatest show hitting gon' make you shout. 1, 2, fist soup, double K, put it down. From the city of angels to your town. We give it up to the funk and to the ancestors. DJs in the park that used to catch the breaks from great slinging tapes on corners. Whole folks performing coming, the ciphers and making quarters. They rock the parties and hype the spectators. DJs come and rip up the crossfader. Sweat drips from the B-boys and pop lockers. Honey dips jock the cats that clock dollars.
From top shotters with rings and watch glitters to the drummer keeping time with the pace of a hot spitter. Fellas with naughty wigs and hotties with hot diggers. Cop liquor quicker, relieving pressure to rock with us. Illest of live instruments provide hits with sense, relentless riffs with the twist of fish. Double K wolf soup and mouse stacking styles, cracking breaking streets in town and the crowd's back.
I get busy like a prostitute, and in my monster suit, I'm here to save the day. I got style like a tailor that's sewing his own suit. I'm showing the new school how we rock and rule. Well, who's afraid of Virginia? I know it ain't Wolf. On the break, we presenting Double K and Soup. And Charlie Tune, the king of the sea. The MC, keep it in the key of funk like it's supposed to be.
Yeah, we stay facts. The inner city beat is a rap. You never ask, just adapt to that. And get a panoramic view from the order we ran it through. Transported brand new without further ado. You never heard it quite like this with my likeness. When we put it all together, baby, you'll like this. Now where I'm from, the California heat of the sun. And when it comes, yo, we giving the drummer some.
Reminisce for a spell, or shall I say think back 22 years ago to keep it on track. The birth of a child on the 8th of October, a toast, but my granddaddy came sober. Count all the fingers and the toes, now I suppose you hope the little black boy grows. 18 years younger than my mama, but I really got beatings cause the girl loved drama. In single parenthood, there I stood. By the time she was 21, had another one. This one's a girl, let's name her Pam. Same father as the first, but you don't give a damn. Irresponsible, plain not thinking. Papa said chill, but the brother keep winking. Still he won't down you, would tear out your hide. On your side while the baby make a slide. But mama got wise to the game. The youngest of 5 kids, hun, here it is. After 10 years without no spouse, mama's getting married in the house. Listen, positive over negative for the woman a master. Brother Queens rise in the chapter. Deja vu, tell you what I'm gonna do when they reminisce over you, my God. A man off the family tree, my right hand, Papa Doc, I see. Took me from a boy to a man, so I always had a father when my biological didn't bother. Taking care of this, so who am I to picker? Not a bad ticker, but I'm clocking Pop's liver. But you can never say that his life is through. 5 kids at 21, believe he got a right to. Here we go while I check the scene with the Portuguese lover at the age of 14. The same age, front page, no fuss, but I bet you all you know they live longer than us. Never been seen now, that's where you're wrong. But give the man a taste and he's gone. Nodding off sleep to a jazz tune. I can hear his head banging on the wall in the next room. I get the pillow and hope I don't wake him. For this man to cuss, hear it all in verbatim. Telling me how to raise my boy unless he's taking over. I said, Pop, maybe when you're older. Laughed all night about the hookers at the party. My old man standing yelling, good God Almighty. Use your condom, take sips of the brew. When they reminisce over you, for real. Reminisce so you never forget this. The days are way back, so many bear witness the fitness. Take the first letter out of each word in this joint. Listen close as I prove my point. T to the R-O-Y, how did you and I meet in front of Big Lou's fighting in the street? But only you saw what took many time to see. I dedicate this to you for believing in me. Rain or shine, yes, in any weather. My grandma Pam holds the family together. My Uncle Doc's the greatest, better get the latest. If we're talking about a car, Uncle Sterling got the latest. I strive to be live cause I got no choice. And run my own business like my Aunt Joyce. So Pete Rock hit me, enough respect to when they reminisce over you. Listen. Listen. Just listen to the funky song that I rock on, and that's word is on. I'm not playing
just chords. This song we dedicate to the